I've got a mystery box from Oden's Eyes Cosmetics. So if you want to check out this company, like I'm doing right now, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's right here on my lap. You can't see him, but he's here and he's all snuggly tonight. And Chloe's at home, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So I've never tried anything from Oden's Eye Cosmetics, so they had a mystery box. And I thought, well, that's a good way to check this out. I don't have anything from that company at all. So anything I get in here is going to be new to me. Everything seems very well packed. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. This is Oden's Eye Norns Mesmerizer Spring of Life. Oh, look at that. Okay, right now I'm already excited. Next we have the Soul Mane 2 Moonlight Feed Highlighter. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. There's the inside packaging. This is in Pink Star. Look at that embossing. And this is like gold to pink. Look at that. It's a duochrome in a highlighter. This is the Alva Kiss of a Fairy lipstick in Love Jasmine. There is the packaging. Like that. So that's a nude with just like a little bit of a coral in there. Really like that. Next are two loose shadows. These are Jewel Shine Shadows. This green one is Gabriel, and this kind of peachy pink one is Olivia. All right, there is Olivia. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's good. There we go. You got some pink and some peachy gold. Now these are all cruelty free. There's Gabriel. That is very rich, those together. Next is the Soul Mane eyeshadow palette. And this has kind of got like a, the feel of it. It's not like a flat, it's kind of like a textured. Look at those beauties. All right, so here's just a few of the colors. So I have 3 shimmers and a matte. Beautiful, beautiful payout too. Oh, absolutely. And this says Soul Mane Gel Liner, Soul Mane 2 Gel Liner. Oh my, look at that. We got every color you could imagine in here. So the bottom comes off and it's your pencil sharpener. Ooh, okay, well. There we go. So there it is right there. Very pretty. The top did break off when I went to put it on, and it does, oh, does it fall out? It does go over all of the colors right there and their names. So that was mint. And if we were going by ColourPop prices alone, this here would have been more than the price of the box. So I paid, I think it was $75 for the entire box. But having wanted to try this, I thought that's not a bad deal. So I more than got my $75 back though, because even at ColourPop prices, this set of gel liners alone would have been over $75. And I just think everything was lovely. I really, really liked everything I got in here. And because I've never gotten anything from this company, there were no repeats. So that's a score too. Well, let me know your thoughts though. Have you ever tried this company? What do you have from them? What do you like? And if you haven't, have you ever wanted to? I thought this was a great opportunity. Generally, when I see a mystery box from a company I haven't tried before, I typically jump on it because it's a good way to try things out. Now, some mystery boxes are great, some aren't, but it gives you an idea as to what the brand has to offer too. So I think they do a great job. Their shadows were gorgeous, their highlighters supreme, and just the colors, the duochromes. Like I said, I'm going to grab a Z palette off of Temu just to have one to put some of those loose ones in. I do have some other loose shadows, and I think I have some Ofra like blush or bronzer or something in a single that I can also pop on there. Let me know your thoughts. What'd you think of this though? All right, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.